guys, I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm doing great today. I am a little tired from yesterday. I worked so hard from the time I got up till late in the afternoon, but I did get in a little bit of trouble yesterday. I did. I kind of got scolded by my husband. Not really, but let me tell you what I did. So I was mopping my floors and I was filling up, after I finished, I filled up my humidifiers, and typically we'll set one in the floor in the kitchen and the steam will blow out into the house. Well, I didn't check it and the steam was blowing up the wall. So it has really messed our wall up. And let me tell you about our walls. 7 years ago, we built this house and had brand new paint, everything was new. And my grandson lived with us. And after they moved out about 2 or 3 years later, we had fingerprints all the way around the walls, about 3-4 feet high, probably about 3 feet high, where he had his hands all over the wall. Well, my husband thought we was gonna have to repaint. And I said, well, maybe we can match it up. So that's what we did. And I'm about to do some touch up and I thought, that might benefit some of you out there to know that you can do that, especially if you have little children, or just you have nice painted walls and have a spot on it that you can't fix. All you have to do is find an area in your home. We did the very top of one of our closets where no one could see and just chipped a little piece off. Took it to Lowe's. I think we went to Lowe's first. They couldn't match it. They had no one that could do that. We went to one Home Depot, couldn't do it. And then we decided we'd try another Home Depot, and we came across a great employee. She was wonderful. She knew her stuff and she matched it up perfectly. So I brought it home. I put it in a huge pickle jar, and I keep these little brushes. And every so often, I have to go around and touch up our wall, and you can't tell I did that. Instead of spending thousands and thousands of dollars painting our house, which I wouldn't, I would paint it because I love to paint. We just went and got a gallon of paint, had it matched up, and I'm about to fix this wall behind me and probably a few other places. And it's that simple. And it will blend in. And if you can kind of see it like the first day, don't worry about it. If it's matched up correctly, you are not going to be able to see it. But I will tell you, when my grandson moved out, I thought, is this all going to match? And you cannot even tell where he did that on our walls. I hope that helps some of you out there. If I come across any other ideas that I have, I will definitely share them with you. I hope all of you have a great day.